He don't ready, mama, he don't ready, God, he don't bust it up on again. I don't finally discover the prophet I saw tomorrow. The prophet we prophesy about the Kuje prison break will take place on the 5th of July 2022. This prophet dropped this prophecy for on the 9th of June 2022. He said, make people wait there for Abuja, make them pray. He said, make them go for 40 days fasting and prayer. I said, because something won't take place for Abuja. He says something won't happen. He said when the thing will happen, it will shakalize everybody. He prophesied about this prison break will happen, but so many of you now they say, na fake, na arrange, na narrative prophecy, na guessing prophecy, na narrative prophecy, na Papa Jebu prophecy. Now, shebi don't come to pass. Before anything, make you fair listening to this very prophecy of this prophet. You understand? Then you can see what happen for Abuja if you never see. And before I go talk what it in my mind, it already.
God bless you, viewers all over the world. Yes, my name is Prophet Elijah BAMIDELE. By the grace of God, I'm the privileged senior prophet of Christ as a prayer and deliverance ministry. I want to remind us of some of the things that are going on. I mean, all of you can bear me witness that I have always been a prophet who has been standing for the truth, a prophet who has been speaking according to God's leading in Nigeria. And most of the things that God have used me to say, you've all lived to see them manifested. And God laid in my heart that I should tell our country, Nigeria, to pray. To pray. I kept saying this, war. War. I kept saying it. There is little more I can do. I'm just an upcoming pastor. There's little more I can do. This is the best I can do. God speak to me and reveal it. When I spoke and I said Osibanjo should not waste his money because I did not see him good anyway, a lot of people said I was fake. I said it. I said there's no point for our vice president to contest because everywhere around him is blank. People thought I was fake. Have you all seen the music play out now? The Lord said I should tell Nigerians to pray, mostly for the people living in Abuja. What I am seeing around Abuja is terrible. I've been giving this revelation for the past 3 years. God reminded me of it again last night. Said, tell my people to pray for Abuja. The killing you are seeing, going to church, kill people. God is already fighting for Nigeria. Those are not Muslim. I kept saying it, that the people that you see entering church and kill people are not Muslim. They are terrorists. Another terrorist group that have been launched out from the north. And the Bible says an evil will break out from the north. From the north, and other evil terrorist group have been launched out. They are not Muslim. The Muslim that we know are peace-loving, easygoing, caring, and understanding people. So I want us to pray very well. And I also saw two elephants on the physical combat. Two major elephants. Remember, where you have elephants, where two elephants fight, it is the grasses around there that suffers it. God said I should speak to the citizens of Nigeria, mostly the youth. Everybody should wake up. Everybody should wake up. I saw two elephants, Tinubu and Atiku. Two elephants. Let the citizens, let us pray that God should bring this word to pass. Peter Obi, there is a torchlight on his head. But this torchlight has been covered by an evil hand. There is a major torchlight on his head. This torchlight has been covered by an evil hand. God said we should pray. God said we should pray. God said we should pray. The torchlight on the head of Peter Obi has been covered by an evil hand. the will of God will be done in Nigeria. Only the will of God alone. I pray for you that is watching this live broadcast, and I decree upon your life that the evil going around will not come near you and your family. If you share this live broadcast, share it to the appropriate quarter it's supposed to be, you will not witness the evil going around. You will not die. Evil will not come near you. And I pray for our country, Nigeria, that peace should take over. God, take over the nation. Let us pray. Tinubu, Atiku, two elephants fighting. The citizen, let us pray. This is the only thing we have to do. Our duty is to pray. We'll continue to pray. Very, very soon. Very, very, very soon. The reason why I am talking about these two elephants fighting is because what I am seeing from PDP will provoke APC that will now lead to two elephants on the physical combat. Let the will of God be done. Let he that has ear hear what the Spirit of God has said. God bless you.
If you can hear this sound now, Kuje prison is under attack, serious attack. You can hear the sound of bullets. This is the sound of the bullet. Serious attack. For how many minutes have they been shooting? God help Nigeria. Jesus.
So now, say so many people for inside this country, their fake life don't enter their brain. They see everything like fake. Prophet go drop prophecy. You go say, now fake, now this, now guess, now this. This prophet, so, now if I prophesy, say, Mazi Nabdekano should be very, very careful. Say, people want sell land for pot of porridge. Now so many of them come. They say, hey, prophet, go sit down. You know the man of God. You be man of stomach. Now hungry they call you. Now this, now that. Now attention you they find. After a while, Mazi Nabdekano was arrested and he was being betrayed by his own people. Many of them do like say, una no see am. This same prophet I still prophesy about Anambra. He said, now only you find Yoruba, now you go feel liberate Anambra, say, but they not go give Ifeanyi Yoruba. He said, they not go give Ifeanyi Yoruba that election. He said, but now only Ifeanyi Yoruba now God choose. At the end of the day, they not really give Ifeanyi Yoruba. They say you come still come and they tell say this prophet who they lie. Now he tell say now Ifeanyi Yoruba go win the election. Nah, no. The man never said Ifeanyi Yoruba will win the election. He said now Ifeanyi Yoruba now God destined to liberate Anambra. He said, but they not go give him. Those people will be say concrete don't block their ear. They get go translator for their ear. Waiting that they hear different from waiting their mind they tell them. I don't understand the problem. We don't talk to custodians and castro-free metabolic boha. We don't diagnose and affect some people medulla oblongata diagnosis. Waiting that they hear different from waiting their mind they tell them. This same prophet, he still drop another prophecy again the other day where does it come to pass? So all the prophecy where this prophet they drop, no one will not they come to pass. Now this same prophet, I prophesy, I say something won't happen for Asorok. That time where they say Uncle Bobo children will be bandits, peaceful bandits, say they go buggle one apartment for Asorok. Now this same prophet, I prophesy. You don't prophesy so many prophecies where you say, me, I did knock chest, say yes, I confirm her. Dry. So now, it's time for you people to begin to listen to some prophets, even if no be all. Because the day when one prophet go here come and I come tell us, say, we feel you wake up, now all of us go here this. They will say, na lie, until we say, we wake up, we know see ourselves again. I want to know say the truth, we know we can't know. So sometimes when prophecy they talk, it go make some people say they listen. Whether you believe or not, but listen, because some people they born them with prophecy. I'm not talking about miracle. I'm talking about prophecy. Some people they get the gift to prophesy. Some people they receive what happen ahead. This prophecy, it does still come to pass now. I know some people say, you know, measure, say na prison. You know, he says something will happen for inside Abuja, make Abuja dey very prayerful, and something don't happen. What else do you want again? What else do you want again? Before this horrendous attack happen for inside Kuje prison, so where they say about Kyare now don't enter desert, they say about 600 to 700 boko and peaceful bandit don't disappear before this thing happen. So I hope una know say bandits they bongolize so many houses for inside Abuja. They thief the people. They not they thief money or thief asset or thief electronic. Now the people that they thief. Imagine country when they come break your house, they will thief you come out for your house. I pray make I see that video, make I play am for this video. I just pray I go find the video, make I if I don't see the video now for my next video, I go upload am for you. Wetin dey happen for inside Abuja? He say make una wey dey Abuja, make una dey very prayerful. He say make una start prayer now. 100 days fasting and prayer. Una go fast so una come be like okporoko fish, or una go relocate. You say because you say wetin wan still happen for inside Abuja like this? This same prophet na him prophesy and say, Osinbajo may not your bother say, if they see dark cloud cover and say, Osinbajo may not bother say na Asorok as boy, you understand? Say may not bother, but Osinbajo did not listen. Now how market? He don't see prophesy say, if they see 2 elephants, you know, say when 2 elephants they get down. Now the grass, now they say, oh, be the grass. Now people will want to go sell their vote for 5,000. People will want to go sell their vote for Indomie. People want to go sell their vote for 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of beans, and half onions. Now then, Nigerians, make una wake up, oh. Make una wake up, oh. Wetin una dey see so, e big pass as una see am. Hey God, it don burst.
Ṣé ti rí compound wa ma? Ṣé ti rí compound wa? Leave the door. Ṣé ti rí bó ṣe já gbogbo security? Ṣé ti rí lẹ́kùn bó ṣe já lẹ́kùn? Tán kó phone, laptop, a lot of tán ṣáwọn èèyàn ládàá yẹ́kẹ́yẹ́kẹ́. Ẹ wá wẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ tí òun ṣe kékeré tán ṣàwọn èèyàn ti lọ sí hospital nsìn. Ṣé ti rí ẹ ti rẹ́jẹ̀ wọ́n ṣàwọn èèyàn rẹpẹtẹ wọ́n níbọn dání wọ́n lé everything. Ṣé ti rí? Are you seeing? You see, it's God that saved us in our compound today. Oh. Plenty people, they are like 30. Speaking Hausa, maybe they are Fulani Hausa, we don't know. You see them? You see, it's a big compound. They rob everybody. They enter the compound, they enter the room one by one. Even the upstairs besides our house, they rob them. They robbed everywhere. They entered the room from back, from front. They robbed everybody. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? They robbed everybody one by one after the other. So you can see, you see? Abuja Correctional Center for Abuja, Nigeria capital, where Jagoda people attack this early momo. Now for the Nigeria capital, for Kuje area council, 9 happened. Witnesses where they around talk say them hear loud explosions and gunfire around the prison area, and